Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we're looking at MP materials. This was a stock analysis request from one of the followers and I wanted to let you know that anyone can make these requests and I will most likely cover them, especially if there is an actionable trade setup to follow. And here on this chart we are tracking this as a wave 1 up and this as a wave 2 down, and now we would be overall looking for the third wave to the upside. But I have to say, this wave 2 retraced so deep and I didn't even realize here on the 4-hour time frame that it didn't actually break the beginning here of the wave 1. So I'm not even fully certain that we should really track this as a 1-2 setup, but for now it really doesn't affect us at all, and it won't affect us until we actually complete this overall wave 3, and then we can decide if we should be looking for a wave 4 correction or if we should start really tracking this count from this bottom and have a 1-2 setup that we would be looking for. So we may discover over the long time frame a threat that we may not form, or we may not hold support here in a wave 4 to produce the fifth wave to the upside to fulfill an overall larger wave 1. Now, as I was saying, doesn't matter until we actually fill this wave 3, and within it I can even track this as an impulse, and I would say that okay, here we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, another 1-2 setup here, a third wave up that I don't even think this wave 3 would be complete within an impulse interpretation, and yes, of course, then we need an additional couple of 4-5-4-5 patterns to complete this wave 3. And then I would add here in the small time frame a couple of counts, firstly tracking the larger third wave within the third wave, and then within this wave 3 that, as I mentioned a moment ago, I am not certain it is actually complete yet. I could argue that here we have an additional 1, 2, a third wave up, a fourth wave down, and then we would be looking for this fifth wave to complete the wave 3. And in this case, I would be looking to hold support for a wave 4 in the area between the $61 level down to the $43.8 level. So far, we actually seem to have found some sort of support. We didn't quite fully reach the support zone here in this area, but well enough, we got quite close within it. And I have to say, there is a certain amount of chance that this correction in the wave 4 could be complete. Now, I would count this for now as an ABC setup that honestly would have looked better with an additional low in this area, but right now I don't even know if we still are within resistance for a fourth wave. So technically this could still work out at the moment for another low within this wave C, and for that I would like to hold here the resistance in the area between the $64 up to the $67.5 level. And today we actually briefly broke above it, but nothing to fully invalidate it. And yes, personally I would still prefer another low within this wave C, but it is not certain that we will get it. We are towards the end of the resistance area, and who knows, we may break above it. And if we do break above the 50% retracement here, yeah, the correction in the wave 4 could be very well complete. But I will caution you, this is a pretty fragile time frame. We did not reach the support zone, and there still is a threat that even if we break higher and we break the 50% retracement here, we could still return within this correction. Keep in mind, we maybe on some other exchanges we could even consider that okay, the 23.6% retracement was reached. It was quite close, so we could maybe consider the minimum expectations for this wave 4 fulfilled, but I would still like another low, and I am not convinced that this movement, this fourth wave, would be complete within this pattern that formed here in this area. And the ideal target normally for the wave C is the 100% extension. We have not reached that yet. we did reach the 78.6% retracement before we started this stronger reversal to the upside. And I would overall also be careful because the structure is not necessarily the cleanest here. It is not the best 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that developed in this area. And I would also be looking out for different interpretations where this might not even be an impulse. And in that case, this could even turn out to be a 1-2 setup followed by a stronger third wave to the upside. Now, a break above the 50% retracement would be an indication that only this count within this wave C here, this 5-wave move that we have drawn here on the chart, is not going to work out, but it is not a confirmation again that we are in the 5th wave to the upside. Overall, this could still turn into an ABC pattern and still take us lower. And there really isn't much else to add now. You have the main support zone, and this is what I will be focusing on the most. And these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.